What's in the box?
Hi and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box, a series where I unbox all the stuff that I buy. So let's go and see what I got this time. And it's again something from the Verstappen webshop, as you can see by this official shop card that you always get. But let's now get to the essence of the video, the thing that I actually bought. And as you can see, it is the Red Bull RB16B from the Turkish Grand Prix 2021. And this is of course the webshop edition. It's number 72 already, and it's limited to 3,000 pieces. So yeah, I'll now unpack the model then to have a quick look at it. So inside is a styrofoam clamshell as usual, and I'll have to cut open the tape first, so let me do that quickly. And here we go then, and let's discover this model then. And oh yeah, that looks rather brilliant, no? I mean, look at it. Yeah, I'm lost for words. It really looks really good. And I'll remove it from the styrofoam part, carefully of course. And I'll take away this foam piece underneath the front wing as well. But yeah, look at this stunning model. Let's have a quick look at the plaque as well. There's a whole lot of info on that one. But yeah, the model itself really looks the part. You have these fan shop edition exclusive tire markings of course here as well. But yeah, it looks really good at first sight, I have to say. And of course the livery is quite fetching, so yeah, the model car is bound to look good, but it seems like a pretty good model car. This one, I must say, I'm actually quite impressed by it. Yeah, it looks really good. And I think the Spark version was already very good, looked really on point, and I thought, yeah, the mini champs probably will be okay, but yeah, most likely not as good. But I mean, at first sight, it looks every bit as good as the Spark version in my opinion. So yeah, I'm not sure I will do a review of this model though, as well, yeah, I've done a lot of Red Bull videos in the past few weeks, but yeah, you never know. But yeah, this model is still a great looking model car, and I'm actually happy to have added it to the collection. So yeah, this was the quick unboxing video of this Verstappen fan shop Red Bull RB16B Arigato Honda Turkish Grand Prix livery. Thanks a lot for watching. Give the video some love. Check out the other videos too from this series or the channel in general. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.